breach. Now breach, as I've already told you, breach means breaking a contract, or to be more legal in my words, I would say breach is when a contract is not performed. Look, under any contract, there are two parties who promise something to each other. So there is promise from both the sides, and each party is required to perform his side of promise. Now, when any party does not perform his promise, the contract is said to be breached. Look, the contract is said to be performed, the contract is said to be discharged when both the parties perform their side of promise. However, if any of the parties does not perform his side of promise, does not honor his promise, does not do what he is required to do in the contract, in such a case, we say that the contract has been breached. That is, the contract has been broken. The party has broken the promise. So, breach means where the promise is not performed under a contract. And in common parlance, in regular parlance, we call it as breaking of contract. Now, the contract has been broken by a party. Now, there are two types of breach. It is quite possible that a party may breach a contract while performing it. While performing, you realize, boss, I cannot continue with the contract. I'll not be able to complete the contract. Though I have started performing the contract, I possibly cannot complete it. You may also breach the contract before starting the contract. That is, when you were supposed to perform the contract. I'll give you an example. Let's say you and I enter into a contract and I am supposed to deliver you 500 bags of rice. When? After 10 days. Now, on the 10th day, I come and tell you, I cannot perform the contract because I do not have 500 bags of rice with me. Now, please remember the 10th day is the day when I am required to perform the contract, when the performance of the contract is due. So, this can also be a case of breach. There can be one more case of breach. You can also breach a contract before the performance became due. In the same example that I gave you, I was to deliver 500 bags of rice to you after 10 days. On the 5th day, I come and tell you that, sorry, I'll not be able to perform the contract. I'll not be able to honor my promise of delivering you 500 bags of rice. Now, what am I doing? I am breaching a contract here before the due date, before the contract became due for performance. So, these are the various situations or scenarios wherein the contract can be breached. And based upon these scenarios, the types of breach of contract are set, where the first type is actual breach and the second type is anticipatory breach. We will first look at what is actual breach.